also presents a pathway for many players who are playing in Fiji. Deans, the finals tomorrow. We know age group division is now something that the Drua is looking at. The CEO, Mark Evans, has spoken about it, about some of the players to be brought in into the development squads. You've already started that process. For those who will be watching this, coaches and players from different schools in the age division finals for the Deans, what's your message to those players out there?
Look, the message is the Drua is watching. We can't wait to watch tomorrow. We're looking forward to all the games. I think the Deans tournament is the best club day, school day in the world. Getting all those young men playing, the pride of where you went to school as a Fijian, you can see it in everyone, even the Drua boys, you know who they're cheering for. And I think it probably was a pathway to go overseas. Now it's a pathway to join the Drua, hopefully at a 15, 16, 17-year-old and to be part of the Drua, hopefully is something everyone strives for in this country.